Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be shooting Kaleidos Smokey Nostalgia collection. This is Kaleidos' newest collection. I'm really excited to show this on my channel. If you guys have been following me on my channel for a while, you know that I love Kaleidos. And everything that they've ever come out with that I have tried, I really enjoyed and liked and recommended. There has not been one thing that I haven't liked. And their packaging, I've always raved about their packaging. Their packaging is just so creative, so amazing, so different than what you see from your everyday makeup brands, but I really enjoy the art that is put into this brand. So yeah, we're going to be using this collection today. On my eyes, I'm going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I'm going to apply this really quick and then I'll be right back. Now that I have my base on, I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow palette that they have. They have two palettes, I believe, in this collection, and I'm going to be using the gray like silver one. I figured I'd do like a nice smoky gray look. I have not done a cool toned look in a really long time, so I figured why not with this look. I'm going to start off with this color, which is like the one that's in the middle of these matte shades, the medium gray. To apply this, I'm going to be using the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to focus on packing this color on and just placing it in my crease kind of low so that I have some space to blend up. And now I'm just going to work on buffing out the edges a little bit just to blend it out. Next, I'm going to take this light gray to help me blend out this color. I'm going to take this light gray color on a Morphe M513, and I'm just going to go over the edges of that medium gray color with this light gray. I'm blending it out. Next, I'm going to take this white eyeshadow by MAC Cosmetics called Gesso. Taking this white eyeshadow on a Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to use this to help blur out the edges of the light gray. Then I'm going to go back in with that light gray color just to add it back in here after that white. And then I'm going to go back in with like this medium gray just to add it back in here. I feel like it did get a little lightened with everything, so I'm going to kind of make it pop a little bit more. Next, I'm going to use this black color. I'm going to take this black color on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to start on the end of my eye here just because I don't want things to get too dark, but I'm going to start on the end here, and I'm just going to slowly work my way to the front and blend this out. I think using a smaller brush for the black definitely helps you be able to control the black shadow to place it exactly where you want it, but also to help you blend it out slowly. With the bigger brush, I just feel like it would have just been all over the place. But yeah, this blend is really pretty, and the shadows are so easy to use, so blendable. Next, I'm going to take more of this Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm going to use that to do a soft cut crease on my eye. To apply that, I'm going to be using my Real Techniques domed shadow brush. I'm just going to apply this on my lid. Next, I'm going to grab this shimmer. The shimmer is so pretty, like just looking at it in its place, like on this palette, it's so pretty. So I'm going to take that color. I'm going to apply this with my Sigma E28 Detail Buffer Brush, and I'm going to put this right on top of my base. It's so pretty. It's like so like, man, you know, I love that. Just gonna tap this in and blend it out. Yeah, this shimmer is so beautiful. I don't even use like silvers a lot, but this one is gorgeous. Next, I'm gonna add more shimmer, so I'm gonna be using More Cosmetics Diamond Daze Liquid Eyeshadow, and I have the color Treasure Trove. And then I'm also going to top it off with a loose glitter, which is by Take Two Cosmetics. It does not have a like label for like a name, but it's basically like a silver chunky glitter. So first I'm going to apply the More Cosmetics liquid glitter, and then I'm going to place the loose glitter on top for it to stick. Taking that same Sigma brush, I'm going to get that More Cosmetics liquid shimmer, and I'm just going to tap this on top of the shimmer here. And then adding that loose glitter on top. Next, I'm going to take Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, and I'm just going to do a regular line, nothing special. And then I'm going to go back in with this black color, and I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to use this to just blur out the end of this liquid liner. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back for the rest of the eye look. Okay guys, I'm going to do the rest of my eyeshadow below here. So I'm going to go back into the palette and use this color. I'm going to take that color on a Sigma E57 firm shader brush, and I'm going to apply this color all throughout the bottom here. And next, I'm going to take this light gray. Using the same brush, I'm going to blend out this medium gray a little bit more by smudging it under the bottom. And then I'm going to go in with this black color. And using the same brush, I'm going to do the same thing, put it all throughout the bottom. In my waterline, I'm going to put ColourPop's Cream Gel Liner in the color Exit. Next, I'm going to put on some lashes off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really like how it came out. Such a pretty silver, smoky, cool toned look. I also wore the rest of the collection. I wore this blush as well, which is like the reddish toned one, and I also put on their Skinship like matte lipstick which is very pretty. I love this color, and yeah, I really like how this look came out. So cute. I love Kaleidos. Everything looked and work together smoothly. I also have their Space Age Gifted highlighter on, which looks like that on top of the blush. So really pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and turn on the notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a new YouTube video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!